everyone, welcome to BR Academy. Yesterday we discussed same permutation combinations, same continuation. Today we discuss the rank and some of the numbers. Yeah, rank we know that. Here there are the two methods. One is the proper method, that is IP model. One is short trick. We will discuss both here. First we discuss the short trick method. First we are ready here. Write the numbering of each letter arranging alphabetical order. Means A, B, C, D like this. Write down here alphabetical order over the word. Below each letter, below A, B, C, D like this is the below each letter, the number of digits which right side on a particular and less than the assigned number. Less than the assigned number. Suppose here A1, A2, A3, so on, AN is there. Yeah, suppose 4 is there. 4 below values here. 4 below alphabeticals here. So how many that particular less than and assigned number? Okay, now we are write that is. And next one from the left side, right? From the left side is here. This is the A1, A2, A3, and from left side here onwards you take here 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, so on. Last and with what is A1 is into n minus 1 factorial plus 1 right over here. So that is the rank of the word an into 0 factorial plus an minus 1 into 1 factorial plus a1 into n minus 1 factorial from left to right up to what here a1 an into something an into starts with 0 factorial next before letter an minus last from next before letter here. So first letter is what here a1 reverse like this reverse a1 into n minus 1 factorial plus 1 right over here. Here, the sum of the numbers, the sum of all digits possible numbers formed out of all the n digits without 0 with 0 here. First one without 0 is n minus 1 factorial into sum of all the digits into 1, 1, 1, 1, so on n times here. So direct formula we can use it here. So you will get the one line only, you will get the answer here. 1 or 2 lines. Here, next includes 0. The sum of all possible numbers formed out of all the n digits which includes 0 is n minus 1 factorial into, that is sum of all the digits into 1, 1, 1, so on n times minus n minus 1 factorial into 1, 1, 1, so on n minus 1 times. So this is the second one here. The next one, it is includes 0. This one is includes 0, this is without 0. And next one, sum of all the odd digit numbers. This sum of n digit numbers, this sum of all odd digit numbers formed by taking the given n digits excluding 0, without 0. Here is sum of all the digits, sum of all the n digits into n minus 1 pr minus 1 into so 1, 1, 1, so on r times. Here in this one, including 0. Sum of all the odd digit numbers formed by taking the given n digits including 0 is sum of all the n digits n minus 1 pr minus 1 into 1, 1, 1, so on r times here minus n minus 2 pr minus 2 into 1, 1, 1 r minus 1 times. These are the formulas. Based on these formulas, we will do the problems here. If the letters of the, an example will be here, if the letters of the word mother, letters of the word mother are written in all possible orders and their words are written Words are written. Words are written out as in dictionary. As in dictionary. As in dictionary. Then the rank of the word mother is first option 614, second one 615, third one 613, and fourth one so here mother. So options here. Next fourth one 309. See here. What is a given word? Given word is mother. First we do the proper method. So alphabetical order right down here. A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. It is the alphabetical order. So how many letters in this one? 6 letters. 6 digits in this one. 6 letters. 6 alphabetical letters. First, we have to find out the in the dictionary first letter is what? M. So alphabetical order you take here. First starts with E. Starts with E. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, na? 6. So mother, how many letters here? 6 letters. First starts with E. Remaining how many places here? 1, 2, 3. How many gaps here? In 5 gaps, 5 letters can be arranged here 5 factorial ways. Next starts with H. Here also same 5. So here how much here? 5 factorial ways here. Next M. So what do I find out here? M. So M after what here? O. O below numbers what is? A, H, M. So here O below. First M E to here. M E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 factorial. Next M H. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 4 factorial. Next it is 0. Both are same 0. Next letter what here? T. Next letter what here? T. T before letters what here? First we take here M O E. M O E. Remaining 3 places can write here 3 factorial. Next M O H. M O H. 1, 2, 3. It is 3 factorial. Next M O M 0. Okay na? Next you take here T. Here T below. It's M O H. M O E. M O H. M O E. Next M O R. M O R. Here M O R. 1, 2, 3. 3 factorial. Next next what here? H. H before letters. M O T E. M O T E. 2 gaps. It is 2 factorial. Next H. H is over. Next E. It is 0. Next word is what here? M mother. M O T H E R. It is 1. So 5 factorial. It is 120. It is 120. It is 24. It is 24. So 6. It is 6. 6. 2. Next Next to last word is what? 1 plus 1. Add. So 4, 8, 8. It is 14. It is 20, 26. It is 26, 28, 29. 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1, 1, 1, 3, 3 not 9. So this is the lengthy and sometimes you will not get the perfect. So we will do the shortcut method. It is easy. Okay, na? So this is the proper method. It is IP model. So we will do the next shortcut method. Next shortcut method. Shortcut. Here. Mother. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. First alphabetical. M, A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. It is 1. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. So, already we discussed the first one. First what we did here, from right side, from right. What is the number here? 3 below numbers. How much here? 3 below numbers. Less than 3 numbers. 1, 2. 2 right on here. Next to 4. 4 less than 4 numbers. 1, 2. 2 right on here. 6 less than numbers. How much here? 2, 3. 3 right on here. 2 less than numbers. 1 less than number 0. Next 5 less than 0. This is the first step. First write the alphabetical numbers, alphabetical order numbers write down here. Next step, from right to left to, so suppose M3 is there, less than 3 numbers, next to less than 4 numbers, here whatever it is the number, alphabetical order, that less than from left to right. After that assigned number write down here, that numbers write down here, so that mark it here. After that, from the right, so less than 3 numbers, less than 4 numbers write down here. This is the second step. Next, third step. From the extreme last means this is the last. From the extreme last, multiply with this is 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. So that is 2 into 5 factorial, 2 into 4 factorial, 3 into 3 factorial, 1 into 2 factorial, 0 into 1 factorial, 0 into 0 factorial. See. So required, therefore number of numbers equal to how much here? 2 into 5 factorial plus 2 into 4 factorial plus 3 into 3 factorial, 1 into 2 factorial plus 0 plus 0. After the last add with what here? 1. So 5 factorial, 120 into 2, 240, 12 into 2, 24. 6 3 18 plus 2 plus 1. Adding this one, 1 2 3, 3 plus 8 11. It is, so how much here? This is 120 into 240, 24 into 48. This one 48. So 3 11 19 4 how much here? 3 4 8. So how much here? 4 8 9. So 9 10. Next 10. So how much here? 1 plus 2 is 3 not 9. So this is the shorting method. In this one, repeated numbers, non-repeated. Here this is the non-repeated. Next will be the repeated numbers. Next one. Next example. Small. Find the rank of the word small. Find the rank of the word small. First alphabetical. How many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, shortcut method will do. No need proper method here. S, M, E, L, L. So alphabetical order. It is 1 A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, J, K, L, M, L. It is 2 and it is both are same na? Same mark it. Put it here. A, B, C, I, J, K, L, M. 3, equivalent 4. So step what here? Step 1 from the right. Less than what is the 4 here? 4 is an alphabetical order. It is a 4. It is a 4. Less than 4 numbers. How many here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write down here. 4. Less than 3 numbers. How many is here? 3. Less than 1, 0. Less than 2, 0. It is also 0. Okay, na? Next you put here. It is 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial. But here before one, this one is the difference is there. Before one is not repeated, it is repeated. See here, from the left you take here, from the left 4, including this 4, including this 4, including this yes. How many numbers are same repeated? Yes, there is no yes here by 1 factor only. Next you take here M, including M. Here yes after what 2 factorial. This is 2 factorial, 4 by 2 factorial. M. What are the repeated here? 2 by 2 factorial. Next A. It is 2 factorial. Next L. 0, 1 factorial. It is also 1. So we are right here. This is 4 into. Therefore, the rank of the small equal to yes 4 into 4 factorial by 2 factorial. Next 3 factorial by 2 factorial. 3 into 3 factorial by 2 factorial. Next 0 into 0, 0 into 0, 0 into 0. So here 4 into 2 factorial cancel na. So remaining what here? 3 into 4, 12. Here 2 cancel, 3 3 is 9. It is 0, 0, 0. Last one plus add it 1 here. So that equal to how much here? 48. So it is how much here? 48. So 48 into 48 only na this one. 48 plus 9 plus 1. It is how much here? 58. So its rank is how much here? 58. Next IIT JEE. IIT JEE. First order write down here. A B C D E E A B C D E. It is 1. It is also 1. E F G H I 2 I J 3 K L M N O P Q R S 4. So this is the first step. Next step, second step from right side. So what do I take here? 2 less than numbers. 2 less than numbers, how much here? 2 only. It is 2. Next 2 less than numbers, how much here? 2. 4 less than numbers 3. 3 less than numbers 2. 1 less than 0. Next it is also 0. Next we take here 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. Next what do I see here? I including I. What are the similar numbers here? I2, E2. So by 2 factorial into 2 factorial here. Here including I from left to right. So what are the repeated numbers? Only 2 is by 2 factorial here. Next T, it is also 2 factorial. J, how much here? 2 factorial. Here 1, here 1 only. It is no need to write here. 1 only. So that is 5 factorial. 5 factorial 2 to the 4. 4 means remaining what here? 5, 3, 2. Plus this 2 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. 1 2 factorial cancel, 2 factorial cancel. Plus 2 into 4 factorial by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial cancel. Plus 3 into 3 factorial by 2 factorial. Plus 2 into 2 factorial by 2 factorial. Plus 0, after that last add with 1. So multiply here. 3, 12, it is 60. It is 24. It is 9. Next 2 plus 2, next plus 1. Add this one. 3, 12, it is 12, 4, 16. 1, 2, 3, 3, 6, 9. So its rank is how much here? 96. Next one. Find the rank of banana. Rank of banana. So here also first how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Banana. So alphabetical order. A 1 1 1 1. A B 2 C 3 3. First step is over. Next step. So less than 2 numbers, how much here? 1 2 3. Less than 1 0. Less than 3 2. Less than 1 0. Less than 3 1. So next is 0. So write down here 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. So here including B from left to right, including B. So what are the repeated numbers? 1 2 3. 2 n's, 2 3's. That is 2s is 2 factorial, 2s is 3 factorial. A including A. How many A's here? 3. 2 m's. It is also 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Next 3 including B. 3. How many here? 2 factorial into 2 factorial. 1. 1 leave it here. 1. N leave it here. 1 only. It is 1. 1. So next 0 leave it here. So now multiply here 5 factorial by 3 into 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial plus 0 and 0 2 into 3 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial, 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1. So that is 3 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial plus 0. Here 2 cancel. 3 into 2 factorial by 2 factorial plus 1 plus 1. 2 cancel. 3 cancel. 2 cancel. 10. It is how much? 30. So plus 3 plus 1 2. It is how much? 35. Banana. Last one, we do the success. One more time. Success. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yes, U, C, C, E, S, S. A, B, C, A, B, C, 1, 1. A, B, C, D, E, 2. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. It is 3, it is 3, it is 3. U, it is 4. From right, you take here. So, less than 3, how much here? 1, 2, 3, 3 only. Less than 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, na? Less than 1, 0. Less than 1, 0. Less than 2, 0. Less than 3, 0. Less than 3, 0. So, last starts with 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5. 6 means include with 0 means it is 7, 6 will come up here. So that is including S. How many repeated here? 3 S's and 2 C's. By 3 factorial into 2 factorial. U including S. How many repeated here? 2 C's, 2 S's. 2 factorial into 2 factorial. C including C. 2 C's, 2 S. 2 factorial, 2 factorial. C it is 2 factorial. E 2 factorial. So this 0 means no need consider here. So up to here we take here. Okay, na? In competitive, no need to write, no need about this one, worry about this one. So up to here enough, plus last add with 1 right on here. So that is 3 into 6 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. 5 into 5 factorial by 2 factorial, 2 factorial. Plus 0, plus 0, plus 0, plus 0, plus 0, plus 1. So here 3 into that is 6, 5, 4, 3 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial plus 5 into 5 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial plus 1. 2 to cancel, 2 to cancel. Here 3 cancel and 2 to cancel. Right on here. So this is 2 5 10, 60, 60 into 3, 180. Plus 5 5 25, 25 to 50 plus 1. So that is how much here? 231. Next one. Some of the numbers problem. One example here. here the sum of the sum of the here the sum of the sum of the sum of all the sum of all the sum of all four digit numbers, that can be formed, by taking the given the sum of all four digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 2 3 4 5 6 3 4 5 6 without repetition is so options given here 533 820 first option, and second one 532280, and fourth one 533280, third one is, and fourth one 532280. Now only we discuss one formula, that is the sum of odd digit numbers. The sum of odd digit numbers that can be formed by n different non-zero digits. So the sum of odd digit numbers that can be found by n distinct different non-zero digits is n minus 1 p r minus 1 into sum of odd digits sum of all given digits into 1 1 1 so on r times. So what is given here? R equal to 4 given, 10 equal to 5 given. Four digit numbers. 4 digit numbers, R equal to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N equal to how much? 5 given. So substitute this formula, n minus 1, that is 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, 4p3 into sum of all the given digits. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 1, 1. How many times? 1, 1, 1. R times, it is 4. Now 4p3. This is how much here? 4 factorial 24. 2, 3, 5, 9, 14. It is 60. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 20 into 24. That is 20. How much here? 80. It is next one 20, 40, 48. 480. 480 into ones. So that is 1, 1, 1. 480. So 1, 0. Next 8, 8, 8, 8. That is 4, 4, 4, 4. 0, 8, 12, 1, 4, 5. It is 13, 5, 13, 5, 3, 3, 2, 8, 0. 5, 3, 3, third option. equal to 533. Next one. Next one, the sum of all the numbers which are greater than 10,000. Greater than 10,000. Formed by the digits. Formed by the digits. 13579 is. 13579 is. So options. First one, 66600. Second one, 66600. Third one, 5 6s. 3 3 4 5. Next, 666. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Same as it is before. Now only we discuss in the formula. Sum of greater than 10,000 using the digits. So that is formula is n minus 1 factorial is n minus 1 factorial into here sum of all the digits. Sum of all the digits. All the digits into 1 1 1 1 so on n times. Here n equal how much here? N equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N equal 5. So that is n equal 5 means 4 factorial into sum of all the digits. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. How many n times means n is 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 factorial 24. It is 4, 9, 16, 16, 9, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Multiply here. 25, 24. And then this is how much is 0? 600. 600 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 zeros right down here. How many 6 here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is third option.